How to fix TikTok streak feature not showing. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the TikTok streak feature not showing on your app. TikTok recently introduced a streak feature which lets you keep track of daily interaction with friends similar to Snapchat streaks. If you're not seeing it, here's how to fix it. First, make sure your TikTok app is updated. Go to the App Store, search for TikTok. If there's an update available, simply update it. This feature is still rolling out, so it might not be available in your country yet. You can check TikTok's official blog or social media for updates on feature availability. Next step is to simply clear the TikTok cache. Open the TikTok app, go to your profile and tap on three horizontal bars. Go to settings and privacy, scroll down until you see free up space and simply tap on it. Here, simply tap on clear cache. If this also didn't work, what you need to do is simply tap on delete download as well. Now go back and simply log out and log into your account again. This will clear out some temporary glitches in your phone. If none of the above steps work, what you need to do is simply report a problem to TikTok. Simply tap on report a problem, scroll down and tap on chat with us. And simply explain your problem in detail to the TikTok support. And that's it. That's how you can simply get the TikTok streak in your phone.